Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notify on every new messages on every new message on in conversation on your accounts on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on notifications, and here as you see you'll find notify on every new message in conversation. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's it. That's how to turn off notify on every new message in conversations, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.